Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how you can make money off your links. This is a very simple and easy way to use. I'm going to be using Cut URL. This is actually going to be a video so I can probably earn money because we're supposed to be doing an ad for the video, and I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you how much money you can actually make. Every 1,000 clicks you do get $20, so this is definitely a plus if you want to do this. So in the link in the description below, it's going to take you to, you're going to click on this referral link. You're going to click it, and then this page is going to pop up. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your URL in that you want to do, or you can just register now. And then what it's going to do is it's going to let you make an account. Sometimes you have to, I think you have to put a URL in before you can actually make an account. However, I'm signed in, so that's why it's not letting me register. But just click register now. Make sure you have a URL. It's not like you actually have to, but you can earn a really good amount of money. Okay, sorry, $15. It's about $20. It just depends on... Yeah, and you get 20% referral if you give your referral link to friends. So share this video with friends and family, because trust me. Yeah, so here's the website. To make a link, I'm going to use Google as an example. So I'm going to take the new shortened link. You're going to right-click on the new shortened link. Sorry, you're going to click new shortened link. Your URL here. You're just going to paste the link you want to. Click shorten. And then you got your link here. I make a document full of the original links and then the modified links, so it's a lot easier to get to. And then you can just click here. It's going to take you to this page here. Make sure your ad block is disabled and go to I'm Not a Robot. It should just do a check, and then you're going to click here to continue. You're going to wait 5 seconds, which doesn't take long. Ignore all the ads. A lot of people get confused because they think this is a spam website. It's not. It's just the ads. This is how Cut URL and I make money specifically. But you can click Get Link, and boom, you're at Google. So that is how you use Cut URL. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike that it sucks. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I actually have to go to work, so I'm just going to quickly upload this and head off to work. This will upload at like 9, I think, is what I'm going to do. Actually, I'm going to do 9:30. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I will be having a video on upgrading the RAM in my desktop, my main PC, which you guys have not seen yet. You will see that soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.